I was born in 1973, and today I am 48 years old. The time I've spent floating around has been mundane, to say the least.
Hey, over here! What's your name?
I'm Pet.
Petty Pet. My name's Lon. Lonely Lon. When were you thrown away?
About 1973?
What? So that means, hold on, subtract the 4, carry the 1. Half a century? Sheesh! And what's that on your body?
You're one to talk.
Ooh, you're funny. But hey, haven't we met before? Maybe that time in New York.
Come to think of it, there was that one
No! Pet! Don't leave me! I haven't seen anyone in 10 years. I still have so much to tell you. No!
I guess that's how the cookie crumbles. I'm sure he'll fade away in the ocean.
I guess so. Thought I finally made a new friend. When do you think we'll be able to get out of here?
Old and lost plastic on a beautiful ocean. That was our lives. Could useless plastic like us change to create a beautiful world?
Oh my god, Pet, is that you? It's me, Lon! Covered by a net, you remember?
Lon? What's happening? Where are you?
Right here, Pet! I was born again as a car! It's a long story, but as soon as you left, there were these divers, right? And I was like, hey, help! Then they took the net off me. Well, I floated up to somewhere. I opened my eyes and bam! I was like in this car factory, right?
You're
So I
still
was
the
like,
same
"Oh,
Lon,
man,
aren't you?"
I'm finally gonna die.
And our adventure together has just begun. Isn't it a miracle? Congratulations on being reborn, Lon.
Right? I might have spent another 40 years in the ocean if things went wrong.
Oh, let's stop talking about the ocean. I still taste the salt.
Yeah, for sure. But hold on. Who was it that saved us?